got our breakout for AMC, guys, around the $2.60. Huge jump for AMC around the $2.60. As you can see here, we don't have any pullback since the 23rd of July. And since then, we did 30%, guys, in just 5 days. Imagine 5 days we did the 30% equal almost the average around 7% or every day. This is a huge jump, for my opinion, for AMC in just less than 1 week. Right now, let me just update the level for you guys. Before we go further and update the level, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, remember we always do update on our Discord and Bitcoin. Yesterday, we did a really good update for one of the stock that discussed before the earnings. Of course, STX did a huge jump, but we reversed from the 700 and hit our resistance profit taken around the 790 after the earning. It was a really good play. We have other play we're gonna do today before the market close, so stay tuned for that. For now, we got AMC doing fantastic, good. We got our breakout finally, and the breakout happened yesterday at the market open. As you can see here, we got a bit of rejection around this red candle, and then we have a breakout. And today we're still holding this breakout, so this is a really good reaction, for my opinion, for AMC. The major level where the market maker bought last time, of course, was around the $2.40. As you see here from those 2 weeks, we got two rejection back to back around the 22nd of July and then the 24th of July last Friday. And of course, we got two rejection zone or two buying pressure again here around the 20th of July and the 24th of July. And now we confirm that the market maker bought around this level around Thursday, and that's why we're jumping 30%. Now we're missing a little bit of gain. We need another 12%, guys, to squeeze toward the $3.04, which is the main level for this month. As we said, we have 2 days left, and we have a target to hit $3, guys. Some of you said maybe we're gonna hit the $3, and some of you said no, we're not gonna hit. We'll see who's gonna win. $3 for this month or not, because we got 2 days left. Tomorrow, Thursday, and after tomorrow, Friday. And of course, next week will be a next month. So how we looking? So if we jumped, of course, 12% down, we are around the support 10%. So we are in midway right now between the squeeze up or squeeze down, between the seller place around the $3.04 and the big buyer place around the $2.41. Right now is still neck and neck between the buyers and the sellers. And the good thing is we come back after a huge selling pressure that happened back in June. So almost 1 month before we flushed down, guys, if you remember. And of course, after that 1 month of re-correcting up and still squeezing slowly. Let me just show you in a big picture, guys, something really good. As you can see here, we got one bounce. The second bounce happened in 15th of May, and the third bounce happened on 9th of July. And now this bounce should be it, guys, to have a squeeze up over the $3.04 to go toward the $4 and the $5.55. For my opinion, guys, as we said, the $5.55 or at least 100% from here, it is the confirmation of the mega squeeze to go toward after that almost the $10. So for now, we just have to focus around the $3.04 to break it, and of course holding over the $3 right now. Over the $3.42 would be best signaling that AMC might squeeze before the end of this month of July or during Friday. If we didn't, it's not a big deal. Is mean we're gonna consolidate a little bit down, then we're gonna go for the next month around the 4. But ideally, we need to test the $3.04 before the end of this month. Psychologically, guys, would be really good for AMC to end this summer with a bang. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below, are we gonna hit the $3 before the end of this week and end of this month or not?